cook up 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to add a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, tomato sauce. This brand of tomato sauce has very, very little salt in it, so I may need to add more salt. And we're going to cook this up for about 30 minutes to an hour, anytime in there. I cooked the spaghetti in salted water. I want to be sure that the spaghetti is flavored with salt. And look in the description underneath the video for the complete list of ingredients, as I may change it because this is an experiment. So spaghetti, I'm going to add eggs, and all-purpose flour, mozzarella cheese, some fresh parsley and sour cream, and get this all mixed up. I will take a scoop of the spaghetti and into the oil. The oil is 330 degrees. Serve with a little bit of parsley on top. And some Parmesan. If you cut into these, you'll see they are creamy on the inside and very crispy on the outside. Like that. Nice and creamy. Get a bite with some of the sauce. So hot. That is really nice. I need to let it cool down a bit. It's so hot. But delicious. Very delicious. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. You gotta make this.